Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic gladiators against each other in the ultimate cleaning showdown. In the left corner, we have the Tikom robot vacuum and mop. Let's call it Tikom. And in the right corner, we have the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, nicknamed Kilgone. Let's get ready to clean. First up, let's talk about the moolah. Tikom comes in at a wallet-weeping $399. Meanwhile, Kilgone is a little kinder to your bank account at $267. So if you're looking to save some bucks for that extra avocado toast, Kilgone might be your new BFF. Now onto the muscle. Tikom flexes with a mighty 3,000 pascals suction power. It's like the Arnold Schwarzenegger of robot vacuums. I'll be back to suck up more dirt. Kilgone, on the other hand, doesn't specify its exact suction power, but it does boast a tangle-free large suction nozzle. So if you've got a pet that sheds like a woolly mammoth, Tikom might be your go-to. Reviewers say Tikom is particularly good at handling pet hair and everyday messes with its strong suction power, while Kilgone is appreciated for its efficiency and quieter operation. When it comes to navigation, Tikom is like the GPS of robot vacuums, with its 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and smart mapping technology. It can store up to 5 maps, making it perfect for multi-floor homes. Kilgone, however, offers obstacle avoidance and a 360 degrees sensor array, which sounds like it's trying to dodge laser beams in Mission Impossible. It's got 4 cleaning modes. But let's be real. Tikom's got the edge here with its systematic path planning. Reviewers have praised Tikom for its smart navigation and ability to handle multi-story homes, while Kilgone users appreciate its ability to easily avoid obstacles and clean hard-to-reach areas. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants to babysit a robot. Tikom offers a whopping 150 minutes of runtime in quiet mode. It's like the Energizer Bunny of vacuums. Kilgone, with its 2,600 mAh battery, runs for up to 100 minutes. So Tikom wins here, but hey, let's not forget Kilgone automatically returns to its charging base, so it's not exactly a slouch. Users have noted that Tikom's long battery life is a big plus, while Kilgone's automatic return to the charging base is a convenient feature. Both Tikom and Kilgone are pretty smart cookies. Tikom uses the Tuya Smart app and works with Alexa and Google Home. Kilgone isn't left behind either, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity and app control via the Tuya app as well. So if you're a fan of yelling at your vacuum to get things done, both of these bad boys have you covered. Reviewers have found the app connectivity and voice control features of both products to be highly useful and user-friendly. Special features, baby! Tikom comes with 14 no-go zones, 20 virtual walls, and even a resume cleaning function. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Kilgone, however, boasts an ultra-thin design and 3D precision obstacle avoidance. So if you need a robot vacuum that can limbo under furniture, Kilgone is your guy. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's extensive customization options and Kilgone's ability to clean hard-to-reach spaces efficiently. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with both Tikom and Kilgone, but for different reasons. Tikom is praised for its power, smart navigation, and extensive features, making it a strong contender for those who need a robust and versatile cleaning solution. Kilgone, on the other hand, wins points for its affordability, efficient operation, and ability to clean hard-to-reach areas, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Alright folks, there you have it. The ultimate showdown between Tikom and Kilgone. Tikom is like the overachieving kid in class who does extra credit assignments, while Kilgone is the cool kid who gets the job done with style. Which one is right for you? Well, that depends on your needs and budget. But one thing's for sure, you can't go wrong with either of these robotic wizards. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart.